Hello Tikkies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to open desktop applications with the help of MS Power Automate Desktop Action. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And one more thing guys, please don't forget to subscribe the Flying Automation YouTube channel for further update. So let's get started. So let's discuss which action we are going to use to implement this. Here we can see our action run application action that is available in MS Power Automate desktop. With the help of run application action, we can open any desktop application in MS Power Automate desktop. By end of this video, we will see live demo with the help of run application action in MS Power Automate desktop. So let's jump to MS Power Automate desktop and see how we can implement to open any desktop application with the help of run application action in MS Power Automate desktop. Now I am on MS Power Automate desktop. In action panel, here you can see search box. Just type run application and here you can see run application action available under system. Just drag and drop into workspace. So let me explain first the parameter of run application action. Here you can see the first parameter application path. Here you can mention the executable file as a complete file path, and here command line arguments parameter. You can add extra arguments that would go after the executable file name. For example, enter notepad.exe in the application path and a specific text file in the command line arguments. In working folder parameter, you can mention the full path of the folder to work out of if applicable. Here in window style parameter, here you can choose the appearance and size of the application window when it's open. Here you can see three options are available: normal, hidden, minimize and maximize. You can select as per your requirement. And here you can see after application launch, what do you want? Here you can see specify whether the next action execute immediately or wait until the program loads or complete. Here you can see the option continue immediately, wait for application to load or wait for application to complete. Here you can choose as per your requirement. So this is all about run application action parameter. So let's open any desktop application. So I am here mentioning notepad.exe and here in window style I am selected here maximize and then click on save. So let's run and see how it's work. Here you can see your flow has run successfully. Here you can see notepad has been opened successfully. So this is the way you can open any desktop application with the help of run application. So I hope you can understand how to open any desktop application in MS Power Automate desktop. In upcoming video, we will see take a input prompt from user and paste it to notepad in MS Power Automate desktop. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our upcoming video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.